Hi everyone, it's Sam here, and I'm bringing you another tutorial today on my YouTube channel. I am using the Poppy suite from the Stampin Up mini spring summer catalogue, and we're going to make this card today. So I'll just show you, this one comes with oops, I'm knocking things over. This one comes with 12 by 12 DSP, and some embellishments are in there as well. Now, the actual stamp sets and dies bundles are carrying over, but all the accessories are actually being discontinued. So if you'd like any of those, then get in quick, because they're only available till the 2nd of June. So, what have we got here? Got my ink pad. That's the sequins. And the stamp set. And the little basket. So, there's my chair. We have got Peaceful painted poppies and the painted label dies, and Peaceful Moments, which is part of the collection as well. And I'm also using that one of the stick shaped framelits there. So what I've got is Happy Birthday, blimey, from here, and then I've used this die, and then in this one I've just used this splat, which I need to get out. Where are you, splat? There you go. Like that. I'm going to put that one on a block. That's not a big enough block. I think I've got my blocks all full up with other things. Come here, block. Take this off over here for a moment. That's better. Right, let's see if I can get close enough to the desk. Make sure I'm straight. Right, so I've cut all my bits and bobs ready. I'll get them all out. So I've got a standard card base. Smooth that. I'm not quite close enough. I haven't done this for ages, can you? Right, really up. So I've got a standard card base, which is an A4 sheet cut in half and scored in half. I've got a piece of the designer series paper, which is 6 inches by 2. I've got my die cut and my circle. If you haven't got the die, the stitched framelits, then the 2-inch circle punch also fits on there as well. And these are the bits from the embellishment pack. So first of all, we are going to sort that round and put that over there. Take your Poppy Parade ink, that's what I was trying to say, and we're just going to ink up our splat and just randomly stamp it all over the background, just to give it some texture, like that. Doesn't matter how or where, because it's just a bit of random. Is that covered? Yep. Okie dokie. Then we're going to put on our DSP. I think my chair's too low. I think that's what the problem is. And I haven't got my glasses on. It doesn't help, does it? So we're going to bring this in about 1/2 inch from the edge. Line it up with the top. Like so. Is that straight? Yeah. Just turn it over. Tighten that down. And then we're just going to cut off the excess from the bottom and the card by the looks of it. Okay, go in the bin. Right, then these strips only come in a certain length, but what I've done is I've put that one there and then cut another bit put on the bottom. So again, I'm going to stick that with glue. Nice and simple and quick. So yeah, we're coming to the end of the spring and summer mini catalogue, and then on the 3rd of June it's 2020 new annual catalogue coming, which means new stuff. So I'm just gonna guess that, because obviously this bit will go over the top, so you're not going to see the join there. Scissors. So we're just going to go to about that one. Chop that there. Put that on there. I've not made a video, a craft video, for just over a year now. So this is my first one since April 2019. So I'm back. Right, so we've got that there, and then we've got our, oh, my die cut's gone in my ink pad. That's not helpful. Right, I'm just going to stamp this sentiment a minute in my, make sure I got it the right way. Don't stick your head under the camera. So that's that on there. So that's going to go on there. And then we're going to have that bit. First I'm going to shut this up before I stick anything else in it. Put that to one side. So what have we got here? I think this one I've stuck flat. Let's pop it up. Let's have some fun. Dimensionals. So make sure I've got the right side. Pop on some dimensionals. We're going to pop that one up there, like that. I'm going to pop that one on the top. So if you don't have the embellishment kit, you could also use a piece of ribbon to go there, or you could use just a piece of plain cardstock in black. That was going to pop there. Now I thought that looked a bit random over there, so I'm thinking maybe I'll put it this side, or does it get lost there? Pop it in there. Yeah, I'll still stick it to the side I had it before then. And pop that one in. Now I've got inky fingers. Red fingers. So we'll put that one just in there, like so. It's a bit inky, gluey cloth. And then I've just taken the sequins which are called Perfect Poppy Sequins. And then I've taken some blue dots wherever they've gone. Hello. Looks like I'm not taking some glue dots. I've got another box somewhere. Hang on. The glue dots have run away. Right, let's have a new one. So I'm just going to get my pokey device. And I think I'm just going to put them in different places this time, just to change it up a little bit. So we're going to pop one there, and then one down here. I think that'll work quite nicely. So I'm just going to fish out some black ones. Well, I don't suppose it really matters what colour they are, does it? But this is the point where you need your glasses on, Sam, because you're a bit blind, love. So some of these are flowery. I don't know if you can see that. Some of them are... Ooh, where's the camera? There. Not the light. Some of them are flowers and some of them are flat. So I'm just going to hook out a couple of... I think they come in different sizes as well. And I've just chucked them all over the desk. Oh, come on, this isn't... Put them back. So I'm just going to use this end of my Take Me Picky. Make sure I've got some fresh goop. There we go. Turn them over first. I do find this easier to do with my finger, to be fair. There we go. Pop that one over here. And pop that one over here. And that one down there. And there we go. So that's quite simple and quick once you've got your bits and bobs all cut out. And there we have our happy birthday card. Let's pop that out of the way. So thank you very much for watching my first video in an age. I will get better. I will put my glasses on for the next one. That would help. And if you would like to subscribe, I would really love that. You can also find me on Facebook at craftybestlife.co.uk, which is where all my Stampin' Up products can be found. And thank you very much, and I will see you all again soon then. Bye bye.